bit different today, and that's because tomorrow I have a job that calls for straight textured hair. And since I do not straighten my curls anymore, I did opt to get a wig a while back, and it's very nice and convenient. I figured I'd do a look with the wig on and switch things up. So today I am showing you another fairly simple look, but today I'm including a Fenty Mattemosielle in the shade Griselda, which I think is stunning. And since it's such a bold lip, I really wanted to keep the skin kind of muted but glowy from within, and keep the eye also simple, but the look is so very impactful since the lip is so bold. But I hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned. To start, I'm gonna prime with my Becca Backlight Priming Filter, which I love because it's super hydrating, but it also gives this luminous effect to the skin, which is a lovely base underneath the Fenty foundation. Next, I'm gonna go on with my Fenty Beauty Foundation in the shade 330. I'm gonna apply that with my MAC 141S brush. And what I love about this foundation is that it is, I would say, about medium coverage, and it's buildable, so I can just kind of gauge how my skin is feeling and looking by the day and just decide if I want to do one pump or two pumps. And I think today is a 2-pump kind of day, so we're going to go in with another. For concealer, I'm kind of in between concealers right now. I'm trying to find one that does not dry and cake up under my under eye. I don't know if you can see, I have some wrinkles under here that really collect product, and I haven't found a concealer that I'm super happy with. So I'm testing out this little baby Hourglass. I think it's one of the Vanish sticks, and I'm kind of playing with that and seeing if it's the new concealer for me. And I'm gonna go in with my dampened beauty blender and blend that out. I'm also going to take a little down the bridge of my nose. And again, I'm going to go on with my beauty blender and blend that out. So next I'm going in with my Becca Lowlight Sculpting Perfector to carve out all the contour on a little baby travel size MAC stippler brush. So next I'm going in with my favorite Tom Ford Shade and Illuminate palette, and this is an Intensity 2, and I'm going to take this warmer color in bronze. Next I'm going in with my Tom Ford Shade and Illuminate in the Intensity 2, and I'm going to take this darker color and go in bronze. And again, I'm going to go over that with my beauty blender. So I'm going to go and set my under eye and down the bridge of my nose where I laid down that concealer, just to make sure nothing gets cakey and doesn't move. So I'm going to go in with my Dermablend Professional Setting Powder and just kind of lay that down over those areas where we put the concealer. And since I have a very prominent chin, specifically a butt chin, I'm going to go in and lay some powder over that as well, because I don't like to attract shine there, because it just kind of brings the eye towards it. Then I'm going to lay that down on my Morphe 438 brush. Next, I'm going to go in with my MAC Mineralize Skin Finish in Global Glow and Laura Mercier Candlelight Sheer Glow setting powder or perfecting powder in the shade 4, and I'm going to swirl my brush around in both of these and then apply it to my face. So next I'm going to do just a really basic eye because I want the lip to be the statement. And I'm going to first go in with my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer and prime my lids. So for this super simple eye, I'm going to take my Burgundy x 9 MAC palette, and I'm going to go in with this color here and just bring in my crease. And I'm going to use this Furless ME3 brush. Next, I'm going to go in with this more muted color in the middle and take it on my Fluffy It Cosmetics brush and then just put that on the lid area. And lastly, I'm going to just take this middle deep burgundy-ish color on my Luxie 207 medium angled shading brush and then just kind of take that in the crease and just define it a little more. As you can see, it's just a super simple, pretty eye. I think I'm going to forego the liner today, but I am going to line my waterline and then go in with some mascara. To line my waterline, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay 24/7 Black Velvet pencil. And I like doing this because I feel like it makes the lashes look more full. And so since I'm not going to do lashes today either, I think it's just going to pump up the eye look just a tiny, hairy bit. So I'm going to save my mascara until the end, and next I'm going to go in with my Defined and Refined Brows little box set from Benefit. And it's super cool. It comes with a brow conditioner, a pencil in the shade of your choosing. I have shade 6. This you can use to figure out where your brow should line up, and then this is the highbrow pencil. Now I'm going to go in with my Precisely My Brow pencil in the shade 6. And first I'm going to brush them up, and then I'm going to go through and fill in my brows. So now I'm going to go in with my Glossier Boy Brow in the shade Black Noir and then just set them and make sure that they stay in place and don't move. So next I'm going to go in with my MAC Prep+Prime Essential Oil Stick, and I like to use this as a highlight, but what it is, it's very like, it doesn't have a color, so to speak, it's clear. But what it does is it really just makes it look like your skin is glowing, like there's no extra shimmer or pigment. It just like literally when the light hits, it's just like you're glowing. And I love that look, especially when I find that I'm wearing a really heavy, dark, dramatic lip. I like to kind of take the highlight down a little and just make it look more natural, so to speak. And if you can see that, it's just a really dewy, pretty look that I really enjoy. I'm gonna pop this Laura Mercier Caviar Stick in Rose Gold, just to brighten things up since I kept it simple. To line my lips, I'm going to take this MAC lip liner. Unfortunately, the name has rubbed off, so I don't know what it is off the top of my head, but I am going to look it up and I'll put it in the description box below. Next thing, I'm going to go with this sample of Fenty Beauty's Mattemoiselle in Griselda. And that's going to be my bold lip for the look. And that color is just super pigmented, super gorgeous, but you can see why I kept the look just relatively simple because it's a bit bold, but I love it. So next I'm going to go in with this L'Oreal Voluminous in Carbon Black and do my lashes. I'm just going to skip my lower lash line because it never fails and it always goes in under my under eye. I cannot stand it and I hate trying to touch it up during the day, so I just skip them all together. I think it looks fine without it. Last thing, I'm going to take my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray and just spray that all over to make sure nothing moves. And here's the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please like this video and subscribe. I have lots more coming. Thanks again for watching.